Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the paper, June 2021, 42 variant, question number 2. So first of all, we will replace this 0 in the place of each x. We're going to place 0 here, like this. Something to power 0 is 1. So ultimately answer is coming 1. And when you replace this 2 in the place of x, the final answer as we are getting is negative 0.5. So I hope so you got the idea how I got these two values. Afterwards, what's the next plan? Whenever you draw sketching, we have a rule, value divided by number of boxes. Number of boxes. Example, what is this? 1. 1 minus 0 is 1, is value. And number of boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So it means 0.1. So one box is 0.1. And actually two box is 0.2. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. And what along x-axis? There's a 0.5, keep it up. 10 boxes, keep it down. So 0.5 by 10, we get 0.05. So one small box, 0.05. Multiply into 2, multiply into 2. So 2 boxes, 0.1. I hope so. Up till here, no problem. So this is negative 1, negative 3. And negative 1 is here. And plus 3 is here. So here and here, they meet here. So it means that we can find this number easily. Let's go for next point. Next point is x is negative 0.5 here. And y is 1.83. Y is 1.83. 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 6, 7, 8, and here. So 8, and this is 1.83. So it is meeting somewhere here. So this is also clear. When x is 0, y is 1. Y is 1. Okay. When x is 0.5 is here, y is 0.4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, slightly above. When x is 1, y is 0, it means exactly here. Second last point, we are plotting x is 1.5, negative 0.29, approximately negative 0.3. 0.123 is 3 boxes below. 1, 2, 3, correct. Now 2 and negative 0.5. Negative 0.5 is here, here. Okay. So let's start sketching, and you always never use scale. Slightly. Okay. Now okay. And so I hope so the concept is very clear. So 2 marks from here, 4 marks from here, 6 marks confirmed. When do you deal this kind of question? So keep your eye on this question. Question is y equals to 2 times 2, 0.5 power x minus 1. So this function, I bring it down. Okay. keep your eye on this question. Is this 2 to the power x match? Does it match? Yes, totally match. So this value copy. This batch totally copy. So it means this is done. Afterwards, we'll see what is next. This is this -1 match here? No match. So this -3.5, I'll break in two parts. -1 and -2.5. Why -1? Because we need -1. So I will break this in two parts, -1 and -2.5, which will give you same number. So this number I will break in two parts. And this left behind, so just copy. Repeat. This is done. This is done here, and this is done here. And for your knowledge, is this two terms equal to same y or not? Yes. So these I will write y. And these two terms I will bring on right hand side. So I get here -2x plus 2.5. This is plus, so goes there negative. This is a minus become plus. Now, whenever we have a straight line, by drawing a straight line, take a table of two numbers. Ideal value is this 0x come from here. And any other number, you can take 2, you can take 1, you take it -1, but 0 is it's confirmed. I'm taking 2. So both values I'm going to plug in one by one in this equation. When I plug in this 0 here, when I plug in 0 here, so 0 into something 0 and 2.5 left behind. Second option. If I copy 2 in the place of x, so -2 into 2 plus 2.5. So answer is coming -4 plus 2.5. It is coming -1.5. So -1.5. These two values I'm going to plot. Where is this 2 here? -1.5 is here. -2 from here, -1.5 from here. So this is a meeting point. Afterwards, I will go for next part. X is 0, y is 2.5. X is 0, y 2.5. X is 0, y 2.5. 2.5 is in the middle here. Now I'm going to draw now. So take a scale and join them. So join these 2 points. Okay, so this is a line coming. And remove the scale, where they're intersecting approximately here. So what is the scale here? 2 box is 0.1. It means this is 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So this is 1.4, is a 1.3. So 1.3 and 1.4. So middle is 1.35. 1.35. So this part is over. Now let's talk about this one. Before I just give you idea. Whenever he say there's no solution of the equation, I give example. Whenever we have this kind of curve, suppose, and if line cuts here, it has 2 solutions because it's cutting the curve 2 points. Here, 2 solutions cutting 2 points. Here, again, 2 solutions. But here, it has 1 solution this no solution, here no solution. It means it depends upon how many points it is intersecting the curve. So if I draw this green line here, it will cut the curve 1 point. It has one solution. If line go through one integer, it is cutting the curve one spot. So it has one solution. If line goes to 0, it is cutting the blue curve one spot. But he said no solution. There are no solutions. No solutions mean it should not cut the curve anywhere and give me integer. Like if I plug in this, for example, 3, y is equal to 3. This line, you know, what is equation of x equation? Y is equals to 0. If line going through 1, y is equal to 1. And if line, it means through 1, y equal to 1, it has one solution. If line go through 2, so y is equal to 2, it has one solution. And 2 is called integer. And this k value is 2. This k value is 2. Okay. In case of above, if line goes to 3, 3 is integer, y equal to 3, and k value is 3. And k is again an integer. So he was asking, no, give me integer, but which has no solution. And for your knowledge, so let's find out where it has no solution. For example, through -2, line is here, no solution. Down is -3. -3, no solution. -2, no solution. -1, no solution. And among all these three numbers, -3, -2, -1, what is the largest, highest possible value? So naturally, highest possible value is -1. So highest possible value which give us no solution is not -3, not -2, only -1. Because if I go down, -4 also, but among these, what is the highest value is -1. So our answer finally, we got it here, at which equation we have no solution. Answer is -1. And write down the equation of asymptote. Now I'm going to teach you this last part. So let's see how we can do it, this final touch. Okay, so this is done, that y is equals to -1. So k value is -1, which has highest value, which has no solution. Now I want to show you asymptote concept. Make sure whenever 2 to power x comes, 3 to power x comes, short story, x come in the power. X appears in the power. Appears in power of any number. Power of any number. Any number. So then we get always this kind of curve, which I showed you. Okay, and this number is always asymptote. Let's go on this diagram. If I make it 2 to power x, okay, so I get this, and I'm writing +0. So this 0 is asymptote. If I make it 1, the curve will move up. And this one is called asymptote here. And if I make it 2, so curve will shift up. If I make it 3, the curve is shifting up. So let's decide some equations. For example, +1. So have a look now. So look at his students. I'm going to show you now what is asymptote? This number 1, because look at here, this is a 0, this is a 2. I show this is 1, and this is 3. Okay, this 1 come from here, and this 3 come from here. So this, look at here, a line is going through 1 is called asymptote. Line through 3 is called asymptote. Asymptote means if the curve will continue, it will not meet the line. So these 2 points are called asymptotes. Asymptotes means, I think you got a point. For example, if I make it here, 2 to the power x plus 5. So 5 is here. Curve will come from top and become parallel to 5, but it will not meet 5. And y equal to 5 is called asymptote equation. And for this equation, y equals to 3 is called equation of asymptote. For blue curve, y is equals to 1 is equation of asymptote. It means what we have here, 3 to the power x plus 2, this number y equals to equation of asymptote, 5 to the power x minus 1. So minus 1, y equal to minus 1 equation of asymptote. So if I have a 6 to the power x plus 10 is y equal to 10 is called equation of asymptote. So I believe you got a point very clear. And let's do final question answer. So this is a line y is equals to minus 1 because minus 1 is called equation of asymptote because the blue curve will come down, down, and the line will be like this. And this is y equals to minus 1. So I hope so you got it, and they will not meet. So y is equals to minus 1 is equation of asymptote. I hope so you got a point very, very clear.